Hi, I am Morgan. It's so fun at Halloween at court. Who think I have a blood? It's just a fake blood. It's just a lipstick. It's just I have the eyes because it's a candy. The eyes candy. Later I try it again. I want to say the boy to hi because my ate have haunted candy. Sa have ang dami candy and I have ang dami candy. I said to hi in the person. Evan just give me a candy. Said sa atapeng a candy. I know the scariest. The scariest the picture is because ang dami candy na. Full is full. It's full again. I get that. So fun of that at mocking at Halloween. Today is October 26, Halloween. At September 25 is Christmas na. Bye!